how to get your TikTok account unbanned. Hey guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you get your TikTok account unbanned. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to firstly open your TikTok app with your another account, and now after you open the another account you'll have to just open that ban account from that account. So after you open the account you'll go such interface. So from here, let us suppose this is the ban account, and now from here you'll have to just copy the username of that account. So for that you'll have to just tap on that username. Okay, so after you copied the username of that account, you'll have to just back from here, and now from here you'll have to just tap on this profile icon just at the bottom right corner. Okay, simply from here tap on three line just at the top right corner, and now from here tap on setting and privacy. Okay, so from here you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the options like report our problem. Okay, so simply from here you'll have to scroll down at the bottom and go the option chat with us. So simply tap on it. Alright, so from here you'll have to choose the option account. So now from here in this section you'll have to briefly explain your problem that you have unexpectedly or unconditionally banned your account. So from here you can make a request that your TikTok account is banned and you have to give your username here. And after you made a request or explain your problem briefly with your username, so from there TikTok support team will surely review that problem and provide you some guidelines or procedure to get unbanned of your TikTok account. So from there you can easily unban your TikTok account. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.